Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word orator. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The politician was an eloquent orator, captivating the audience with his powerful speech. An orator is someone who is skilled at public speaking and delivering powerful, persuasive speeches to captivate and rally an audience. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.